Okay, this is it. This is the latest in technology, science proven, tried, true, and now official. It's the Faith Early Earthquake Detection System. All of a sudden, she's laying there in her bed. Everything's nice and quiet. She's looking at her mobile, and then she feels the tremor. Earthquake! Earthquake! Oh my gosh! And then it pauses, and she feels, oh, relief. That was a small one. That was just a small earthquake. And then she feels another one. Earthquake! Oh my gosh! But it was another small one. But she says, what about the aftershock? Is there more? Oh no, here it comes.